This was the second Sorbitol flight with this rocket, and indeed it had worked perfectly again. This
Perfect.
lulled Brian
There it is.
into a sense of
Yet,
security.
yet
What could
another.
possibly go wrong? Oh, maybe this low
Textbook
thrust I'll show you
sorbitol flight
next.
with child catching. Oh, gleaming perfection, Brian.
Now here's that low thrust option I was talking about. And Brian knew that this could happen to his rocket if something was not quite right.
No red oxide in this one. Old load.
Also a mere D length. Not enough burn area.
Recovered. Closest to the pad, I win. Progeny Brian has decided to sacrifice his rocket for the third time. Professor's test, he says. KNO plus sorbitol plus Fe3 equals
That should be
Indeed,
Fe2O3.
this will be the third sorbitol motor I've tried. This is a reloaded Estes E12. It's been jammed with 37 grams of my homemade sorbitol. It's mixed. I think it has about a 3 to 4 second delay, but we'll find out. 3/4 of a gram of black powder to eject the chute. And cut.
Tried a conical
Let's
core
test.
to get a little more surface area. It blew the top of the grain off.
Failure. The hard knocks life, you see, being part of the professor's rocketry. Yes, not quite victory.
Ah, the conically shaped core which I made in these seems to have blown out the top of the motor. So for these two other conical cores, I epoxied the top in and just left a bit of the center. One of them supposed to be a booster, and one of them supposed to have a 3 or 4 second delay. I'm going to stack them and try them later. Remember, keep the noodles fresh and the neurons firing.